Welcome to Modena, city of art, engines and small-medium enterprises, from artisans to high-tech creatives. Here, phase 3 of the ET-Struct work package was coordinated.
Work package 3 was led by Modena Formazione, the educational and vocational training institution of the Modena municipality, together with the CNA, Representative Association for Small and Medium Enterprises. WP3's main goal was to gather information about the relationship between labor markets and regional economies of all the regions involved in the project.
New skills for new jobs is the motto of the European Union 2020 strategy.
The data collected and elaborated, both existing and gathered through interviews, are meant to define the skills that are needed in the new labor market. The ET-Struct inventory offers an aggregate analysis of the social and economical trends and details on the labor market in the booming sectors of the regions involved in the projects.
The inventory is available on www.etstruct.eu.
As we've tried to show in this video, ET-Struct is very logically built. Work package 3, the evaluation, the inventory. Work package 4, the development of the learning modules, which I think was very, very successful. Also work package 3 was very successful. Work package 4 and then work package 5, the evaluation of the modules, which was also very successful. And now it's work package 6, which is the end product of ET-Struct, where we are trying to bring together, as we said at the very beginning, and was mentioned earlier in this video, we're trying to bring together the 3 levels in the knowledge triangle: the policy level, the labour market level and the education training level. We're working on it very, very hard just now, and I am absolutely sure it will be very, very successful.
Naše hranice, to je vlastně náš domov a každý takový domov vlastně představuje nějaký dům. Takže toto jsou naše hranice, každý dům má dobré základy, má střechu, kterou nesmí do toho domu téct a má pevné opěrné zdi. Jednou z těch zdí je v našem případě i příznivé prostředí pro podnikání. Je to jedna z priorit, kterou si město definovalo ve svém programu rozvoje města. Takže vlastně ET-Struct jako takový nám pomůže dosáhnout toho, aby podmínky pro podnikání v hranicích byly co nejlepší. Myslím si hlavně, že je to obrovská zkušenost, protože je to o tom, že nám někdo věří, že nám dal tu důvěru, že dokážeme tento balíček vlastně zpracovat a my se na tom naučíme opravdu té práci s evropskými projekty a navíc přece jenom díky tomu, že máme tu vůči roli, tak ten balíček nebo ten produkt jako takový napíšeme co možná nejlépe, tak aby nám vyhovoval, aby to prostě bylo podle našich představ, podle našich potřeb.